Hi everyone, this is Hannah from MyStemKits, and I'm here to talk about our Balancing Currency Kit. This is a really great kit because it shows off on a hands-on way how to add currency for it to make sense. A lot of students struggle with understanding that it's 4 quarters in a dollar and 10 dimes in a dollar. So this creates a really hands-on way for the students to see that. When you first print it off, what you need to do is first desupport it. There are just 2 supports right here on the bottom on either side, and then you place it right there, the teeter-totter rest, on the balance. It's important to make sure that this is perfectly level when you first place it on. Now if it's leaning to one side or the other, you simply counterbalance it with a paper clip. The coins also take a little bit of prep work before handing them to the students. What you want to do is make sure that they weigh the same no matter which denomination of coin it is when you put a dollar on the scale. Every single spool of filament is a little bit different, so you need to make sure that what you print will actually work for this purpose. So first thing, you can take your dollar coin and set that right on a scale and see what it weighs. So this one tells me it's 14.7 grams. I like the entire kit, when I put the dollar worth on there, to equal within 0.1 grams of the dollar coin. And it's important to do that and check that for all of these things before handing them to your students. Once you have that all weighed out, you can go forward and actually start challenging the students with different increments. So if I put the 4 quarters on one side, I can balance that out with a dollar on the other. And you can see it stays level and weighted. If I throw even a nickel off to one side, suddenly the balance is sitting off. The students will look and get really close and tight in there to see if it actually equals the right amount. This is why it's really important to check those weights, because you don't want to be teaching them the wrong thing. So whichever experiments you're doing with your students, whether you're having them equal out to a dollar, or if you're seeing that 2 quarters equals a half dollar, there's a lot of really great experiments and exercises you can do with this. Challenge your students. Okay, take off a quarter on one side. Find a different way using only one coin denomination to equal that quarter. Oh, okay. The students have to then figure out that you can now put in 5 nickels to equal the same as what 1 quarter is. It's great for a lot of self-guided experimentation, or just give a little bit of guidance and let the students figure it out from there. They'll have a blast playing with this, and they'll really understand coins and currency in terms of addition and how it all works together.